Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blazex token. Now the Blazex token just recently finished a very big pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. Name of the token is Blazex, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, the Blazex token, is an Ethereum token. They had a public pre-sale, 86 total contributors. Now, they set their soft cap at 15 ETH, and they set their hard cap at 35.75 Ethereum, and they completely sold out. 35.75 Ethereum worth of tokens for a very big pre-sale here. Now, the token is KYC'd. And you can check that out on PinkSale. It says their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons, so that's good. They have an Instagram on here, at BlazeXCoin on Instagram, at BlazeXCoin on Telegram, and same thing for Twitter. So they have a Twitter, Telegram, and Instagram that you could all check out here. Now their Telegram has 12,197 members, so they're doing pretty well on their socials there. And their Twitter, I'm going to put that up right here, 16,000 followers so far. They have the blue verified check mark and 154 posts on there. And yeah, and if you look at their pinned tweet on Twitter, just go to this Twitter right here. You will find in their pinned tweet the contract address and a link to DEX tools where you can get the token. If not, you can get it on, it says they're going to be on Flu's trade starting Monday. You'll be able to use Flu's swap to get this token. And most likely it'll be available on Uniswap as well since the pre-sale is over. You'll be able to get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Blazex token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, or you could find it on this pinned tweet right here. Real easy to find. You can also buy Ethereum tokens on DEX tools, so either one would most likely work. There is a pool on DEX tools or Uniswap. Doesn't clarify if it's on Uniswap yet on their Twitter. But either way, Flu's swap as well, it'll be available Monday, so you can get this token all over the place, and I'm sure there'll be more places soon. Now their webpage, if you're looking for that, blazex.org, says Blazex is launching on Ethereum, and it is a cross-chain bridge connecting BNB and Ethereum with Blazex. And that'll be available this week. And it looks like they did a previous pre-sale as well, so maybe this one is a Binance Smart Chain pre-sale. Let's check this one out here. So yeah, if you scroll down on their PinkSale page, you can see previous pre-sales, and there's one from Blazex, and yeah, so they did a previous pre-sale as well on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is a dual chain token, and that is what they're trying to build basically. So they had two successful pre-sales, one BNB and one Ethereum. So additionally, the Blazex token developer bot is now active. So they have a bot as well. Deploy on various chains using our Telegram bot, and they have a link to their bot at Blazex Deployer bot on Telegram. We're also introducing the market feature soon. When you stake your tokens on Ethereum, you can earn ETH as rewards. Plus, we're sharing 50% of the revenue with token holders. So they have 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 973,180,000 tokens. Now, according, let's see here, to their quick audit by Analytics Audit, no mint function found. Owner cannot set fees over 25%, cannot set max transaction amount, cannot change trading status, cannot blacklist users. There is one warning though on here. It says owner has to manually enable trading, so just be aware of that. Yeah, 16,000 Twitter followers, doing very well there. Now on their webpage, blazex.org, they have a link that says Buy Blazex. They have a document section, deploy a token, revenue sharing, token builder, all sorts of links on here. Build your dream token on Telegram with the Blazex bot. With the Blazex token deployer, we created an environment for easy token deployment and management. Deploy your token on 12 chains. Choose between 3 different contracts and manage your token at launch. So they have a bunch of chains on here: Arbitrum, Polygon, BNB, Ethereum, Optimism, etc. A whole bunch of chains. It says social partners are Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Uniswap, Pancakeswap, and DEX tools. So the team has passed the KYC, it says. Holders get 50% of revenue sharing, available on cross-chain, ETH and BNB, the most powerful Telegram bot. So Blazex dedicates 30% of its revenue from taxes and 20% of its revenue from the Blazex token builder to its holders. Token holders who stake at least 0.05% of the total supply will be eligible to claim a portion of these revenues. Rewards can be claimed every 48 hours after the initial staking has been made. The rewards will be distributed based on each user's share of the total staked tokens. The more you stake, the more you earn, and it has a link to stake now and earn on their page. So Blazex is available on BNB, ERC20 as well. And besides the reflections, holders receive from each trade 50% of the revenue we make. We'll be sharing with the holders. Our automated token builder empowers individuals with or without coding skills to launch their tokens on 12 different blockchains. You can learn more about that in their document. So it's a hyper deflationary token. It's constantly burning, which increases the value. And then it says, watch how we burn. And then it shows the total supply and it shows how it's going down. And you can check that out on their webpage as well. Shows you step-by-step how to create a token. Now, their roadmap starts with contract deployment, audit, KYC, pink sale, pre-sale, web and media, social creation, launch on the BNB chain, influencer marketing, Blazex token builder, CoinGecko, staking, token builder marketing, 20% supply burn, all-round marketing, coin market cap listing, Tier 2 central exchange listing, then Tier 1 central exchange listing, 40% supply burn, exchange partnerships, token builder bridge, token builder staking, all-round marketing, and Blazex burn swap. So check this all out, blazex.org. Check out their Twitter right here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.